how to scan QR code on PC without camera. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to scan a QR code on your PC without using a camera. Alright, so let's begin. First, open the Microsoft Store and search for QR code scanner by Matthias. Then click on download to install it. Once it's done, open the app. Over here, click on Open QR Image, then select Open Image File. After that, locate the QR code image in your folder and open it. When you click on the QR code, the app will display the link. Then just copy it to your clipboard and paste it into your browser. So that's basically how you can scan QR codes on your PC without a camera. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.